Hey everyone, my name is Kat. I'm a friend of Charlie's. He gave me a beer to try out and make a video for his YouTube channel. You heard it here first. I've had it for a couple weeks now, been sitting on it because I'm kind of a procrastinator. Probably not the only one out there that does that. So, like and comment if you're a procrastinator like me. And also, because I'm camera shy, as you can see, I'm doing this video selfie mode because I don't have a tripod or lighting or all that fancy stuff that people that like to do YouTube videos have. So I'm sorry, bear with me. Hopefully this is good enough. And yeah, I know that you're probably supposed to have the camera turned to the side, but I don't really like that. And this is more comfortable and easy for me to do. So thanks for not hating me, hopefully.
Yeah. Public service announcement. I bet you're like, wait, hold up. I'm confused. I thought you heard it here first was only Charlie, not any guest participants. Well, you know what? When it comes to what are you drinking, anybody can get it and anybody can get on. So this public service announcement is to let you know, if you want to be featured on an episode of What Are You Drinking, please look at my videos, mimic the video in any kind of way you want to, record that video, reach out to me, send that video to me, and you know what? You can be the next person to hold it down for You Heard It Here First and my beer for tonight in an episode of What Are You Drinking? So, with that being said, I'm out and I'm done with this public service announcement. Cheers. Peace.
Anyway, so Charlie gave me this beer called Awful Gato, and he probably gave it to me because of the Spanglish name, and I'm actually half Chilean, so hablo español así, and yeah, it's got a pretty funny label, actually. I think this is hilarious with the guy with the scratch marks all over him. I do have kitties, gatitos, but they're all pretty well behaved, except the new one that likes to bite people's feet when they sleep. But yeah, so this beer comes from Mikkeller, San Diego, and it has an 8.9% alcohol, so I'm probably gonna be feeling pretty good after this because I am a lightweight. Thanks, Charlie. So thoughtful. And let's see, it's an Imperial brown ale brewed with vanilla and coffee. I'm not a big fan of coffee itself, but coffee flavors can work well sometimes. So we'll see. We'll see how this turns out. All right, I'm gonna pause for just a moment so I can open up this can. So bear with me. Oh my gosh. Okay, I also don't really, I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm trying to do this slow so I don't get too much head on this. Very brown, very dark, and looks nice. I'm gonna stop right there to give this a taste and a smell. Charlie is the brown ale fanatic. I am an enjoyer of beer, but I am not a beer enthusiast. So this should be interesting. I do like some brown ales, but not necessarily all of them. It smells good. Okay, let's try Okay, that actually is really good. Yeah, I definitely taste coffee and vanilla, and it's pretty yummy. It's almost like having a dessert type of beer. It's smooth and it's sweet. Yeah, I like it. So, cheers or salud, and enjoy. I hope you guys like this review of Awful Gato, or I don't know if it's a review, a taste test, something like that. Enjoy. Okay.